What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Rasco Garage. Got a kind of unorthodox video today. I don't do many of these, but recently we've been doing a lot more fabricating, and in doing so, my trusty bandsaw from Harbor Freight has temporarily died. So, where is it? The gear is, I don't know if you can see it, but that's what normal teeth look like, and these ones are completely flat. So new gear's on the way, so that's a sad story. So production is at a standstill temporarily. However, when I was going to get that saw, I was debating on getting a chop saw style saw to do some cuts in the garage. I opted for the bandsaw because I'm making more like merge collectors and things like that, where you'll need a bandsaw in a vertical orientation and you'll need to be able to make a cutting jig, so on and so forth. So anyways, that's why I got the bandsaw first. But now, since that one was down, gave me an opportunity to get a chop saw. So this just arrived today. This is from Evolution. If you've done any research on chop saws, I think Evolution is probably one of the industry leaders in terms of quality. They offer 3 versions. This is the cheapest version. I think this one was like $379 or something like that. So this is not a sponsored video by any means. I bought this with my own money because I needed another saw, and upping it my fabrication frequency and making more and more custom exhausts for customers. So I think it was time to add another tool to the garage. So let's open this thing up and see what we got. The packaging was really nice. Everything was packed very neatly, and the foam came out in basically one piece. There's virtually no assembly besides putting the blade on. So I'm just opening it up and releasing the clamp that holds the blade down safely in the travel position, but just checking out the mitering box and making sure everything works. So far it seems really sturdy. Kind of just like a grinder, if you will. It's got that little locking button here so you can get this thing loose. Blade assembly is really easy, just one Allen bolt. Let's go get some scrap material, make a cut. I'll warn you, it's gonna be loud. Okay, so this is just a short little video of just unpacking the saw. We made a cut, we installed the blade, basically all the simple stuff. There's not much to the saw, to be honest. It's a very simple unit. This thing is wild. It cuts through metal like butter. I'm actually really happy that I got this tool, got this saw specifically, because it complements the bandsaw very nicely, because I do a lot of straight cuts and I do a lot of pie cuts myself in-house. So the way this thing cuts, it's so, like, there's no prep. It's so square. So with the bandsaw, you get some blade flexion, and you got to do some cleanup on the belt sander, and it just equates to a little bit more time, a little bit more finesse. But something like this cuts A, a lot faster, B, a lot cleaner, and C, there's like no cleanup work. It's so square. So I'm really excited to get this thing set up to make some pie cuts and see how clean they are in terms of fit up after we cut them. But if you're in the market of getting a chop saw, or you're looking to something like this, I mean, for the price point, $379, it's got a, you can go up to 45. I mean, it's got a mitering box, so you can adjust it. It goes up to 45. So we just knocked out a cut really quick. The piece tried to escape over there, but anyhow, hopefully this video helped you. Just a quick little video. Like I said, I don't do videos like this very often, but just thought I would show you guys how good this product is. So if you're in the market for an Evolution saw, check it out. I'm excited to use it. I got a couple builds, customer orders coming up, so I'm excited to see how it works through the build process, so put it through its paces. So you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.